Alright, let's dive into creating the classic typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Here's how to do it. Start by creating your text. Click on the Type tool and then click on your preview screen where you want your text to appear. Type in your desired text. Next, head over to the Essential Graphics panel. Here, you can adjust the size of your text and center it using the Align buttons to ensure it looks just right. Now, let's add the typewriter animation. Go to the Effects panel and search for Crop. Add the crop effect to your text layer. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the crop effect that you just added. Click on the Toggle Animation button next to Right to create a keyframe. Set the value to 100, which will be our starting position for the animation. Now, move a few seconds forward on your timeline. Change the value of the right parameter back to 0. This will create the typewriter effect, with the text appearing as if it's being typed out. If you want to adjust the speed of the typewriter animation, you can change the distance between the keyframes. A shorter distance will make the animation faster, while a longer distance will slow it down. To add an extra touch of realism, consider adding a sound effect to accompany the typing animation. This can really enhance the effect and make it feel more authentic. And there you have it. That's how you create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. It's a simple yet effective way to add some flair to your text animations.